Hello Indore, get 1 month of free SEO services with the Shopify website design package. Trust me, you don't want to miss it out. But how? Chalo, let's have a look. Today we are at Blueslag Technologies, one of the prominent marketing and web development agencies in Indore. They offer a variety of services including e-commerce website and app development using Shopify. Also performance marketing, social media management, conversion rate optimization, UGC content, SEO and maintenance. All tailored to meet your e-commerce brand needs and help you generate revenue. Blueslag Technologies help elevate your e-commerce brand, easing your struggles and enhancing your online presence. The workplace atmosphere is incredibly cool with over 5 years of experience in the e-commerce industry and a team of 15 plus creative and experienced professionals. Also, they are Shopify partner agency. Blueslag is working with top Indian brands like Sreeleather, Kalaloom, Natraj and many more, helping them generate revenue in crores. In India, there are only 245 certified Shopify partner agencies, and Blueslag is proudly one of them. Check the link mentioned below.